Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to embed a video in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then enter the website you want to embed your video on. Now, scroll down where you want to embed your code, and from the right side of the screen, make sure that you're inside the Insert tab and hit the Embed element. My bad. Scroll down to YouTube. Yes, scroll down to YouTube. By the way, this tutorial will be about how to embed a YouTube video and also how to embed videos from your computer. So let's embed this YouTube video. Click on Insert, and as you can see, it will be directly embedded in your Google Sites. The second way to embed a video in your Google site is to use this drive element. First, go to drive.google.com, then upload your video from your computer. This is a short video that I will use for this tutorial. Now that the upload is completed, go back to the Google Sites and let's add this video here. From the same Insert tab, click on Drive. A new window will slide in. Then go to Recent and you will find your video here. In my case, I've added this video to a separate Google Drive, so I will look for it here. A single click on your video like that, then hit Insert, this Insert button. As you can see, now my video on Google Drive is embedded here. You can resize it using these buttons. And now to save your changes, hit this Publish button. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also, enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also, publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites. Additional features, like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Save your changes, hit this Publish button, click on Publish again, and let's view this website live. This is my video stored on Google Drive, and the first video I've added from YouTube is this one. And this is how to embed a video in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.